Hey guys, Jason here. We're playing Hypixel with name Steve, even I don't know his name. How may I say hi to you, G?
Go.
How am I gonna say hi to YouTube guys?
Tol. Pwede ba ito? Hindi. Tud. Tud na ito. Hindi. Word to start with letter T.
Wait, parkour. Parkour.
Balloon. Balloon sound. Hindi pa din. Mahirap.
Wait to interrupt.
I have 2 words.
Sorry for interrupting. I'm recording. Let's go play. Let's go play sound effects. Now let's go. Nightfall, really, I'm at Sonic. Cool kid, Gamer TV, PG. Right on YouTube. Now let's go with players with it. Here's Sonic and everyone in this server.
This is tree. Oh, I need
I got just a group name or the chat meeting here. Let's go. It's a
tower. Hindi gaya na kung nakita ang tower.
Now let's go. The game will be started.
Ala, B! 1 word na lang, mag 3 star na ko.
Oh no, sorry for the interrupt on my video. This is my auntie in here. Let's go. Don't jump.
Ginawa ko dyan?
Recording. I'm at the upload videos on YouTube.
I need 1 word. Where?
I want a meeting.
Gusto ko sana balloon. Kasi hindi ko makuha yung word na balloon. Bro. Blood! Yes! Blood! blood. Butangan pa na tog S. Blood. Or
Now I live.
See? I have 3 stars. I have 3 stars lang daw. I have long way to go before I can reach.
Don't move. No, I move. I'll place you next game in 1. Hide under the blocks. Ding. No, I'm died.
Sus, ang dami ka na namang email. Walang katapusan email.
4 stacks of chess. On last in the minigame. Lava floor. Help me. Jin, 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 jin. I want a minigame. Next game. Don't place blocks. Oh, I don't get 5 points. Play it again. Go. Now where's the nice boy in Metal Sonic? Here it is. And there too. And 2 guys in here.
Ano pag magandang game? Yung pabilisan. Pawala sa antok, ha?
Minecraft.
That's my...
Got pig. Cool King. And Lava Minecraft. And you can. And another girl, Christina Whitey. Let's go. Boom. Chiklaka. Boom. Chiklaka. Boom. Now nice boys left again. Don't break glass. I know. Steve.
Anong magandang movie pa, be? O, games, be?
Minecraft.
Hindi nga. Ayoko
Clash of Clans.
na. Ayoko ma-addict doon.
My boy.
Mali.
I lost the minigame. My boy. Don't need.
Pareho lang pala sa word search yun, no?
Pig is falling down. Now let's go. Don't jump. I don't jump. I'm running. See? Land down on YouTube.
Mojang.
Yeah.
Mojong.
My boy.
Anong my boy? Ano dun? Anong laruin? Yung
Daming
hindi
game.
malaking ano,
Ah,
storage. Ayoko yung...
Oo nga. Di nga malaking storage my boy. Mga 1 MB lang nga yun. Boom. I down. I shouldn't let the
Ito
game.
kaya, unblock me.
The next game is where an armor piece.
Brain booster, B.O. Unblock me. B. Naglaro ikaw?
Now next game in 2, 1. Fly to the moon. Yeah. I won.
Ayan, no?
Under block.
Unblock me. Relax mood.
kaya ka maganda ka?
Do.
I lost the minigame.
Maganda to. Well done, my brothers and sisters.
Oh, my 4 cobblestone. Oh, winner is Christy. Oh, let's go back to the house. We got Asian chicken
Chicken ka dyan.
and a gingerbread skin. See, an Asian chicken,
Ah,
a boogie monster, and skin can.
Unblock me free. Ano ibig sabihin nun?
I don't know.
Wala, patakasin siya.
Ang patakasin niya.
Wala, ang laki niya.
Magkano ba yun? 23 MB?
No.
Okay lang yun.
We're going to
Para pang ano sa mind install.
build battle. I'm not good at build battle. Play survival games now. Let's go here. Where's Metal Sonic? Here.
Dalawa na yung game ko. Word
Now
game,
Agent
saka ito.
Chicken is here and a diamond ore.
Ano yan din? 30 MB na yung nagamit ko Bino sa game.
Nakalaro na akong ganyan, Amset.
Tapos ano yun? Natapos mo na lahat?
I-final level lang yung hindi.
Bakit?
Mahirap eh. Final level. Yung pahirap ng pahirap ba?
Now let's play 1 second chat. Now we get Polar.